豪雨、闪电、雷击夹带强风呼啸声，仿佛就像是台风天，很难想象这里竟然是中东沙漠国家阿拉伯联合大公国的首都杜拜。
The National Center of Meteorology said unstable weather would affect parts of the country from Thursday until Friday.
2周前，阿联才遭遇破纪录雨势，没想到2号又面临强风暴雨，不但部分地区累计降雨超过50毫米，就连杜拜12小时的降雨量也超过20毫米，是往年4月、5月总降雨量的2倍。许多地区道路积水，汽车有如路上行舟，甚至连机场跑道也因为积水，飞机降落溅起大片水花，起降风险增加，许多航班被迫取消。当地的气象中心也赶忙呼吁民众提早防洪，避免出入容易淹水的地方，甚至学校公司也临时关闭，要求员工和学生在家远端办公上学。不光中东的阿联饱受异常气候所带来的豪雨冲击，非洲国家肯亚也因为季风暴雨，从3月份开始，各地就陆续出现严重洪灾，甚至引发土石流。救难人员只得出动直升机营救受困民众和游客。
We woke up at the Talak bush camp, and the river was very strong. It was very, very strong. We woke up, and it had risen quite a bit, and I was very scared, and looking around and wondering, oh my goodness, is this river going to keep going?
目前肯亚洪灾已知，至少酿成188人死亡，还有将近20万人被迫撤离家园。只不过短期内雨势还不会趋缓，洪灾所带来的威胁一时半刻恐怕还不会缓解。三立新闻文君报道。